Alright y'all, so for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this windshield banner onto my Lexus. But since it's already done and I didn't get any footage of it, I'm going to do my dash truck and we'll go from there. First step you guys want to do is go ahead and give your windshield a good clean. Make sure you get rid of all dirt and debris. Next thing I'm going to do is measure the top of the windshield to my desired length of what I want to do it. And for this windshield, I'm going to do 6 inches and curve it down about 1 to 1.5 inches. So 7.5 inches. What I'm be using is a Sharpie, a silver one. So basically what I did here was go at the very top of the tape. I had matched it to where the dot's at. So the dot's right there to the very top of the tape. Same thing on the other side. To the very top, and then we'll adjust as needed. Right now I'm just trying to find the center point of where the windshield's at, and we'll go from there. Quick side note as well, I usually try to go from the inside out of the masking tape, so usually dead on center is where the rear view mirror's at. You see the mount right about right there. I usually hit that point from the center and I go my way out, but since I'm gonna do a curved windshield banner, I'm gonna remeasure the size, but as right now that's kind of where I want to be at. Measure the top again and measure an extra 1.5 inches. So as you can see, I went down 2 inches from my regular length. The dot's right about there. Got a little silver spot right there. Alright, now I got the curve of the windshield banner that I wanted. So the first initial one was 6 inches off of the top, and I added extra 3. Now I'm at 9 on the sides with 6 in the middle, and as you can see, that's kind of the outcome that I'm looking for right now. The kind of curve right there. And then just as a safety measure for me, I'm gonna put on another masking tape down so that I have more of an edge to cut off on when I put the banner on. Basically all that I did here was just duplicate my effort into making that edge. So when I use my X-Acto knife to cut, I have more of an edge to go off of. So we get more of a straight cut than it wandering off when you're trying to cut it. But yeah. As you can see, still needs to be pressed down a bit, but the idea is there. For the windshield banner, I'll be using Oracal 651 vinyl. And that's all I'm putting on the top. And this is how the product looks like. It's just a black vinyl decal, Oracal 651. For now, I'm going to be measuring the length of the windshield, and I'm going to be cutting it to that size.
out?
52 inches, and just remember you want to start from the lower ends just because those are going to be your widest points out. Now we're going to be applying the windshield banner onto the vehicle. Make sure as you're applying it, you start from one side and you slowly make your way over. I usually do this by spraying down the windshield first just so that it doesn't completely stick onto the windshield, and then I'll do the application from there on. For this part, I'll be using a straight edge. This is just a body filler, and I'll be using a microfiber towel. Basically what I'm doing is wrapping the edge with the microfiber towel, and then I'm going right over the banner. So basically, this is where I'm at right now. I got the windshield banner on, and I'm just pushing out all the air pockets that are inside currently. I'm gonna grab my knife and start cutting all the edges and start smoothing everything out. Well, here you guys got it. Finished product. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.